Castleview values are take notice, be present, be decisive, value equality, embrace challenge, seek solutions, take ownership, and have integrity. Good morning, everybody. This is Mrs. Nicholls. I'm introducing this week's virtual assembly, which is based upon taking ownership and having integrity. We heard from Rebecca this morning about what her thoughts and views are about these two school values. I'm going to pass over to William, who's going to give us his opinion on what taking ownership and having integrity are.
Hello, my name is William Woodford. Here are my views on take ownership and have integrity. I think that these are two very important school values to have, because if you don't take ownership in things that you do, then you end up not learning anything because everything is done for you. An example would be doing a maths question. Imagine you were doing a question and you couldn't do it. So to take ownership in this situation, you would keep on trying and do it yourself, but you would not ask your friends for help. To have integrity, all you have to do is be a kind, honest person, and then integrity is shown without you even knowing. Integrity could also mean doing the right thing when nobody is watching. An example of showing integrity would be being honest and not lying about things. It would also be showing that you are trustworthy enough.
Say yes and create your own destiny. Admit what your dreams are. Don't beat yourself up if you don't know what you're going to do tomorrow. But work hard and don't be late.
Start with ourselves. Start with yourself. Choose to lift others up. Choose to set the example of kindness and integrity.
I want you to ask those basic questions. Who do you want to be? What inspires you? How do you want to give back? And then I want you to take a deep breath and trust yourselves to chart your own course and make your mark on the world.
Integrity is everything. Who you are is far more important than what you have, and it will always be. Who you are is measured by how you make others feel. Be kind to each other. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Choose to be the change that you wish to see in the world. Decide that you will not waste for someone else. You will set the example. Be kind, because you never know how much that person is suffering inside. No matter how educated, how talented, rich or cool you believe you are, how you treat people ultimately tells all about you.
For me, the most important thing in your life is to live your life with integrity and not to give in to peer pressure to try to be something that you're not. Follow your passion, stay true to yourself, never follow someone else's path unless you're in the woods and you're lost and you see a path, then by all means you should follow that.
You never know the difference your words can make, the difference your presence can make, the difference you can make to one human life. Be the reason someone believes in the goodness of humanity. Be the reason someone else decides to make a difference in others. Be the influence you want to see more of. Always do what is right, not what is easy in the moment. Kindness spreads like a virus. When you do good to someone, others do good to others they come in contact with. You really can make a big difference to the world. Be kind and always build others up to the best of your ability. Treat everyone with the same level of kindness that you would like for yourself. Not because everyone is nice, but because you are.